This is OnePlus Nord N30, and today I will show how you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So first step that I recommend you take is to enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then expand the quick access panel, find the shortcut that is responsible for the nearby share, hold your finger at its icon, then turn on the use nearby share toggle to activate the feature. From here you can rename your device if you want to, you can manage your device visibility and modify the data or network type that is preferred to be used for the file transfer. Once everything is set up, let's quickly test this feature out and see how well it works. So let's say I'll try sharing this screenshot. And as you can see, the picture gets sent and received successfully. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.